In this video, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts of opening and closing your on-screen keyboard with ease. So if you want to open or close your on-screen keyboard, let me show you how. First, I'll close this keyboard so that I have nothing here. To open the on-screen keyboard, all you need to do is to use a combination of Control key plus Windows key plus O, and immediately your on-screen keyboard will be displayed. Now, if you want to close it, you can either close it using this close button here. Alternatively, you can use the same combination of Control plus Windows plus O to close it. So that's how you turn on and off your on-screen keyboard on Windows. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.